Good morning. Another news about Iran. 5 days ago we received news about 4 Turkish Airlines Airbus, which they are A340, They went from Johannesburg in South Africa. As you see now we have the route. They went directly to Uzbekistan, but in the reality these 4 airplanes over the Iran, they changed the direction and they went to Tehran. Those airplanes, they belong to Turkish Airlines until 2019. On April 2019 they went to Johannesburg and they have been stopped there. Now we have the information of which these planes are few months ago bought by Burkina Faso, and now we think Iran again is cheating United States and sent those airplanes to Mahan Air. Iran is one of those masters to cheating the sanction, and United States, NATO countries, they are really strong, and after 43 years of sanction, Iran's aviation still is strong. It's not strong as European countries, but still is strong. I will show you the direction. They went from Oman in the direction of Uzbekistan. As you see, we have Iran. Over Iran is Turkmenistan, and over Turkmenistan is Uzbekistan. But in Persian Gulf, they changed the direction, and all of them, they went to Tehran. One of those new sign of airplane is MAN 3808, which belong to Mahan Air. Another one is MAN 3809, MAN 3810. Thank you, bye bye.